Hello Kerry, welcome to the Infinity Showroom. I'm Serena, your personal assistant to the world of infinity. Meet Thunderstorm, a blend of bold and elegance. Thunderstorm is rooted in the beauty and raging power of gathering storm clouds with swirling wisps of crisp white and fresh cerulean blue. It will make you feel like you're walking with a shirtless Bradley Cooper in the sea breeze. Crafted from premium raw materials, Thunderstorm is both beautiful and durable. Thunderstorm works well in any modern clean space, either as a feature wall, custom-designed countertop or flooring. Thank you for visiting the Infinity Virtual Showroom. And remember, the possibilities are infinite.